Now let's start working on the remix part. First, click on the Atom sprite and add a new when I receive block and set it to Apple Fell Mars. This is Atom third's independent code group and it only activates after the Mars apple has landed. Snap a turn counterclockwise 10 degrees block to undo the tilt from before. Switch costume to Atom Teleporter and wait 1 second. Then add these save blocks. Snap a switch costume to block and set it to Atom Suit left so he faces left as he walks away. Add a glide block and set it to 1 second, and for the coordinates, set it to x to negative 250 and for y, negative 60. For walking off the left edge, switch costume to Atom Teleporter and add wait 1 second. And after that, switch backdrop 2 and set it to Simulation Room. Then, add a new broadcast and a new message named Hide Mars Rover. On the Mars Rover sprite, add a when I receive Hide Mars Rover block with a hide block under it. This cleans up the stage when Atom returns to the lab. Click back on Atom. Below the Hide Mars Rover broadcast block, add another broadcast block and choose Hide Apple. And after that, add the Moon Countdown save blocks. The first save block contains now, let's see if we will arrive at the same result when we try our simulation with the moon and set it for 4 seconds. Next save block contains initiating simulation of moon's gravity in and set it for 3 seconds. Next, save block contains 3 and set it for 1 second and 2 for 1 second and 1 for 1 second as well. Next, add a broadcast block and create a new message named Lunar Module and wait 1 second. Then, add these save blocks. The first save block contains the moon's gravity is approximately 1/6 of Earth's surface gravity. Set it to 5 seconds. Next save block contains that's about 16.6% of Earth's gravity and set it for 4 seconds. Next, taking this value into account, an object weighing 100 kilograms on Earth would feel like it weighs 16.6 kilograms on the moon and set it for 5 seconds. Before we proceed, click the lunar module sprite and add a when I receive block and set the value to lunar module. Snap a show block and click atom again. Going back in our previous code block, snap a switch costume 2 and set it to atom suit left. Add a glide block and set the duration to 1 second and x to negative 120 for y to negative 60. Snap a switch costume 2 block and set it to atom teleporter. And next, add these save blocks. First save block contains are you ready for this? And set it to 3 seconds. Next save block contains let's use the last shot of this teleporter and set it for 4 seconds. Add a switch costume to Atom Teleporter right. Then turn counterclockwise 10 degrees to aim. Broadcast a new message named Apple Falling Moon. And next, on the Apple sprite, add a When I Receive Apple Falling Moon block. Under it, snap a hide block. Next, snap a wait 1 second block and a show block. And go to X and Y block and set X to 100 and Y to 30 for the starting position. Then, a glide block and set it to 2 seconds for the duration. Set the value of X to 100 and Y to -30. Add another glide block and set the duration for 1.5 seconds. And set the value of X to 100 and Y to -90. Moon gravity is the weakest at 1.62 meter per second squared. The apple must fall noticeably slower than both Earth and Mars. Your audience should be able to see the difference just by watching. That's the science made visible. After that last glide, snap a change teleporter by -1 block. The counter goes to 0. Then, broadcast a new message named Apple fell open parenthesis moon close parenthesis. On the Atom sprite, add a When I Receive Apple Fell Moon block and snap a turn clockwise 10 degrees to undo the tilt. Add another switch costume block and set it to Atom Teleporter. And add a wait 1 second block. Then, add the final save block containing among the three simulations, the apple fell on the moon the slowest because of its weaker gravity and set it for 5 seconds. And another save block contains, well, I think that's it for this experiment. We can't use the teleporter anymore since we used 2 shots already. Until next time, and set it for 7 seconds. Finally, snap a hide variable teleporter block at the very end. This removes the counter from the screen and gives the final frame a clean and polished look.